Let's talk about estrogen. Hi, this is Doc Barbie Alawi and we're gonna discuss trans-Pinay health. Napaka-importanting component ng estrogen when it comes to our transition regimen because this is the substance that will help us feminize our physical features. So we will discuss now the different forms and routes on taking estrogen. So first, we have the oral route in the form of pills or tablets. So, the examples of this are estradiol pills like your Estrafem, pwede ding estradiol valerate like your Progenova, pwede ding conjugated estrogen. So next is transdermal estradiol or yung pinapahid lang sa balat in the forms of gels, creams, and pwede ding patches. So for me, ito yung pinaka-safest because it avoids first pass liver metabolism, meaning may iwasan natin yung liver damage. Lastly, we also have your injectables. Examples are estradiol valerate, estradiol cypionate. So to all my trans sisters out there, always remember na kailangan natin ng regular blood test and monitoring, especially ang ating hormone levels, liver function, and cardiovascular health. And lastly, mas mainam na lumapit tayo sa nearest endocrinologist or a doctor specializing in transgender health for a safer transition. For more educational videos, please follow me on these accounts.